Hello everyone, myself Mohan Vishe and my team members are Gaurav Yadav, uh, Rahul Roy and Sampuraj Desai. So today I am going to talk about the caption project, hotel booking analysis. This is and exploratory data analysis. Okay. So content, the main agenda contain problem statement, data summary, data cleaning and manipulation, univariated analysis, hotel booking analysis, and time-wise analysis. It also contain analysis of deposit type, preferred room types, uh, monthly price analysis, correlation heat map, distribution channel analysis, and we will end with conclusion. Okay, so problem statement. Okay, so whenever I think about hotel booking, the words that come in my mind are money required, my budget, location, services, cleanliness, and other facilities. Feels like these are some important features than any other features. Okay, so some things are adjustable, but some features can also be rewarded, just as free Wi-Fi and breakfast. Okay, so have you ever wondered when is the best time of the year to book hotel room, or the optimal length of stay in order to get best daily rates? What if you wanted to predict whether or not a hotel was likely to receive disproportionately high numbers of special requests? This booking data set can help us to explore those questions. So mainly this booking. So we will start with it. So this data set mainly contain booking information of two types of hotels. First one is a city hotel and another one is a resort hotel. Okay, so this include information whether such as when booking was made, length of stay, number of peoples, so number of parking space, so and also many other features. Okay, so let's discover some of important features. Okay, so I will start with the summary, what the dataset contain. So dataset contain around 1,19,330 observations. Means we can also call them as data points. And there are 32 columns, which we also can say as variables or features. So we will come to the data description. So first is a hotel. So there are two types of hotels, resort and city. And another important feature is it's cancelled. It has two values, 1 and 0, 1 for cancelled and 0 for non-cancelled bookings. Okay, so lead time, there is another feature, lead time, arrival date of year, arrival date month, arrival date week number, and arrival date day of month. They are easy to remember. So the year of arrival is mainly between 2015 to 2017. And then we will come to the stay. So there are two types, main in weekend nights and weeknights. Weekend means Saturday, Sunday, and weeknights means from Monday to Friday. Okay, the peoples are divided into three columns. First one is adults, which contain number of adults, children, which contain number of children, and babies, same as. So there are meals. So meals has four types: market share, distribution channel, is repeated guest. These are some of the important features. So if the previous cancellation are also some important features. We also know deposit types. There are three deposit type: no deposit, non-refund, and refundable. After that, there is agent and company. These are some features. They are less important. Another one is day in waiting list. So number of days the booking was in waiting list before it was conferred to the customer. Then after that, customer type. So customer type, there are contract, group, translate, etc. So another, this is the important function ADR. Sorry, important feature ADR, which is also called as the average daily rate. Then required car parking space means the number of cars parking space required. Okay, so next one we'll come to what data types are. Values, data sets. So data set contain numeric, binary and categorical data. So numeric data, there are large number of features which contain numerical data. Binary are less and categorical are also in good quantity. So we will start with exploratory data analysis. Before start to the exploratory data analysis, we should have to clean and manipulate data, which will increase our visualization and also remove missing values and errors. So we have plot the graph which contain features and their missing values. So there are only 4 features that have missing values: company, agent, country, and children. Company is highest missing value, where children has lowest. The number is 11,000, 1 lakh 12,594 for 93 for companies. Okay, which is pretty high. Okay, so we have seen the missing values. So how can we handle them? So first we have to draw company and agent, because company and agent features, they have large number of missing values and we can't afford to delete that much number of rows. So instead of removing rows, we will remove these 2 features as they are not that much important in this data set analysis. So after that, there are only children, number of children. So we will replace it with median value. After that, the country, missing country values. So to remove them, we will remove the number of rows containing the missing values for countries. So for there is another thing for handling data types, as the number of children is given in float, and uh, it uh, it should be in integer, because normally we count in integer and number of children should be in integer. So we will convert them into integer. Okay, so we will start now, as our data cleaning and removing missing value has completed. We will start with univariated analysis. So there are various questions that we have to answer with the help of visualization and EDA. So percentage of hotels booking, annually number of percentage of arrival visitor. We have to find them. Which hotel has more cancellation of bookings, which month has highest and lowest number of bookings, correlation between various numerical features. So we will take important numerical feature in there, and see the relation between ADR and number of peoples. Okay, so which country, then we will find which country has highest number of bookings and which sector should be targeted for our advertisement, and which month is cheaper, has cheaper booking rates for customers. Okay. So hotel booking analysis. So if we first start with hotel comparison, so first we see that the graph shows, the pie chart shows us that uh, around 62.9% of bookings were cancelled. Sorry, where booking were successfully handled, where 37.1% were cancelled. In hotel comparison, 66.7 hotels were city hotels, where 33.3 are resort hotels. And as the cancel rate here, from the first, we have seen that the cancel rate is around 37.1, means around 1/3 of the bookings were cancelled. So this is not good time-wise analysis. So first we will see yearly analysis. In 2016, there are total bookings are 56,435. This means 2016 has more number of bookings than 2015 and 2017. So we can see that after 2015 booking has increased, but after that there is a decrease in 2017. Monthly analysis. So to see monthly analysis, August has the highest. See, the August has the highest number of bookings. It is counted to be 13,856. And the January month has the lowest, means around 55,874 bookings. Okay, so for daily analysis, we can see that from daily analysis, there is no no much variance or variations in the values. But for 31st, there is a slightly less count, because we know that around only 7 months from January, March, etc. Only 7 months has the value 31st, date 31st. So that's why it should be less. Okay, for weekly analysis, we can see just like in monthly analysis, the value is increasing, and then after that it is start decreasing. There are from 8th week to 42th week, the value is increased, but after that there is a decrease in the count. So deposit type analysis. So there is a no deposit has highest around 87.6%. Then we will then there is no non-refund, which is 12.3%, and very less around 0.1% is refundable in deposit types. Okay, we can see that the no deposit type has highest number of bookings, and their count is 1,04,167, while refundable has least. Reserved and assigned room types. So we can see that A has highest reserved room types in the booking, and also assigned also has A is on assigned also A is on top. Means A is the most demand, has most demand for by the customer. Then on second number is T, preferred meal type. So for preferred, around 77.3% people guessed preferred BB, means bed and breakfast. Then HB means half board. It's on second number with 12.1%, and after that SC is around 8.9%. So BB is most preferred meal type. So monthly price analysis. So we can see that for city and resort hotel, November to January has cheaper average monthly rates. August has the highest value. So correlation matrix, with the help of correlations of some important features, we get that around your total stay and lead times are correlated, and also people and ADR is correlated. So we can say that number of people increase, earning increase, and for total stay, the people who stay longer plan ahead of the time. So let's see about that relation between number of people and average daily rate ADR. So we can see that as number of people increases, the ADR, mean median value of ADR increases. So total stay is a sum of stay of week and weeknights and weekend nights. So 3 days average, means highest, and resort shows decrease in the number of number of resort show decrease in the number of count as people increase days increases, but after for seventh exception is for seventh day it increased. Most of the stay for resort is for 1 day. So market segment analysis, it is majority segment involves travel agency, online and offline. Okay. So in market segment, around 56,403 online TA and 24,160 offline TA or DO. Distribution channel analysis. So we can see that the majority of distribution segment involved in travel agencies are online, offline, and distribution channel, there are 97,730 TA or TO, where 14,483 direct number of bookings. So let's see which country has the highest number of bookings. So on top it is Portugal, PRT, then GBR, Great Britain, and followed by France, FRA. So let's come towards the conclusion. We covered. So there are less number of features with the missing values and outliers, so dealing them with them is easy. Okay, so after the peak in 2016, there is a fall in bookings. So so we have to careful and start advertising. City Hotel has higher number of bookings, so we have to focus on them. And for from May to August period, as the rate is on peak, we should have to target summer period. Around 1/3 of the bookings were cancelled, and which is worse, as the booking rate for country PRT, GBR, and FRA is higher. So we have to focus for advertising in that countries. Average daily rate increases with increase in the number of peoples. So we have to encourage large number of peoples or families to book by giving them offers and discount. We can say that more than 93% of the customer not prefer for parking, so they commit. That means customers reach by any public transports. Okay. So hotel should be near to the public transport, and we should have to give less space for parking, and more we can utilize that space in the hotel area. From above, we can see majority of the distribution channel and market segments involved in traveling agencies, online or offline. So we have to focus on targeting this travel agency website and work with them, since majority of the visitors tends to reach out to them. Okay, so for both city and resort hotels, from November to January have cheaper average monthly rate. So it is helpful for the people who want to book the hotels. Thank you.